You don't have an oven and you're craving burgers, walk with me as I show you how to make one. In a bowl, add in 3/4 cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of yeast, and 4 tablespoons of water. You're going to knead this together until it forms a dough. Then you go in with 1 tablespoon of butter and you will keep kneading this until your dough is stretchy and soft. Guys, you will notice that as you keep kneading, your dough becomes stretchy. So don't worry, when you add the butter, it may look like it's not going to work in the first place. You're going to place this, set it aside, allow it to double in size. When it has doubled, bring it out, deflate it and divide your dough. Now you're going to knead this, let them form balls. Then you place them into your pot that you'll be using for baking and allow it to also double in size. For the baking, because we don't have an oven, I'll be using a pot. I'll pour in salt, place foil inside the pot and then place my dough inside. So this is going to serve as my oven, okay? So keep an eye on that so that you don't forget that your dough is rising. So I am going to go ahead and prepare the plantain that I will be adding to this burger. Guys, this is the secret to this burger, what made it so delicious and yummy. So I'm going to slice 1 plantain, I'll mash it up and I'll slightly season this plantain for taste. I'll go in with salt, pepper, some seasoning and ginger and garlic powder. So this is to serve as a buffer to the taste of the plantain. Then I'll add in 1 tablespoon of flour, add it bit by bit and mix this to combine. You're going to form a ball with this and place in a lightly oiled pan to allow it to cook very well. Cook both sides. Guys, I have already prepared my beef that I'll be using for this burger. I made it overnight so I couldn't film it. All you just need to do is follow the same step that you used for this plantain. Mince your beef, season and put in a foil. Mold it into a ball shape and you know allow it to cook in your pan. My dough have risen, I'm going to brush the surface with egg and allow this to bake. You're going to turn this when the down has baked so that it bakes evenly. In a bowl, I'll add in mayonnaise, some condensed milk and a little bit of red pepper. Guys, you can use ketchup, whatever you want to use for your sauce in this burger, go ahead and use it. Then I'll start layering my burger. I will toast my bread for a while, apply some sauce on this bread, then I will start layering it to my desired taste. I added my lettuce and then some tomatoes. I'll go with my beef, the plantain. I'll repeat the process until I am satisfied with the outcome. Guys, this came out so delicious, yummy and tasteful. You can switch up the sauce to your taste. Please don't come after me if this is what I wanted. I wanted something sweet, spicy, chewy and flavorful, and this right here gave me exactly that. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.